All of us have heard of things happening at the blink of an eye in fairy tales, nighttime stories, anecdotes, but Facebook has made it happen for real. Yes, Facebook has come up with a filter which enables brands to promote their products, all of it at the blink of an eye, and that too literally. I'll show you how. So I'm holding this phone with XUV 300 car on the screen, and if I want to change the color of the car to see how it will look in different variants, all I'll have to do is to blink. So I am blinking at the car. See, the color changed. I'll blink again. Oh, the color changed again. So all I have to do to change the color is not even swipe. I'll have to keep blinking and the color will change. You want me to change the colors twice? Wait. See? You saw me changing colors of Mahindra XUV 300 just at the blink of an eye. Now I will show you what I can do through a simple nod. I have with me another cool filter on Facebook. I just nodded and here I have a helmet on my head. This filter gives me an experience like I am riding TVS Jupiter, and I can access all details here just with a simple nod. I never knew nods could be this powerful. And for those of you who can't let a minute pass without updating your status on Instagram, Facebook, clicking pictures, updating them, Facebook has this cool, cute setup where you can enter, click your pictures, make boomerangs and whatnot. So let me try out one of these. So my next profile picture is going to be one with these cute little bubbles. I had a lot of fun with the bubbles. Let's see how my picture turned out. Not bad. I just got a new profile picture.
All the customers for the auto industry are now on Facebook and other social platforms. So how do we bring them to the auto industry is where we work on our piece. So therefore, we see ourselves as a very core part of the industry, helping them solve for their business problems versus just being an outside advertising platform. So that's one reason why I think we are core to this industry. So not a surprise at all that we are part of this. I think we are part of the industry and helping them work and get to the customers at the most efficient and effective manner that we see.
A blink and a nod to see what you're going to look like behind the big wheel. Well, that's the Facebook pavilion for you. And guess who else at the pavilion? I told you, Israel Jio. What is Jio doing at the Auto Expo? Marisha Tyagi finds out.
I'm here at Reliance Jio in Auto Expo 2020, and Jio has come up with a technology to collaborate with automakers to make everyday journey a lot more safer. So here's this device which needs to be installed within your car. With this device comes with an emergency button. In case of an emergency, you can simply press this button and it will help you fetching help from ambulance, from medical services, police and a lot more. So let's see what happens when an accident happens or any other mishap occurs and you press this emergency button. So this is a system which helps you fetch help, support in case of an emergency. Here is a demo showing you how it actually takes place. So as soon as the emergency happened, a message was sent to control room and everybody swung into action to provide help at the spot of mishap. Reliance Jio is showcasing a technology to turn your old car into a smart one. Yes, they have come up with this new technology which enables you to have a Wi-Fi, a digital experience while driving. It makes your travel a lot more safer, and it also helps you enrich your driving experience. You want to know how? Let's find out. So this system operates through an app and a hardware device which needs to be installed inside your car. This app gives you several options. This is the control. When you go to control, you can avail several features like route planning, geofence. Geofence helps you limit your travel area which you cannot go out of, or app sends you an alert if you go out of the safe area. Next up here is trips. You can assess the quality of your trip, your driver's performance, and it also has an option of camera events. So Here they have a feature of driver drowsiness, driver distraction. Let's check them out. As you can see on the screen, the driver looks a bit distracted. Your safety might be at risk. So this app helps you assess all kind of situation. You can see the driver feeling drowsy. Now comes the in-car mode. While inside the car, you can watch videos, and just like you have been doing it through Alexa, you can have your inbuilt Alexa within the car. Jio is yet to name the feature, but yes, the technology is done, the software is done. It will be launching this technology in the markets very soon.